Okay. Cheers.
Yeah.
What's that?
I like peas. Face.
Journey.
The grass is window.
So we're gonna play musical chairs, right? So let's play musical chairs. Come.
We are gonna play musical chairs. Whoa, mommy, that's not me. I'm gonna swim. I'm gonna pop this. No,
But I want to buy.
I gotta be out this because
Journey, are you listening? Why don't you listen? Did you hear Journey? Killing. I want to put tomato out. Copyright. Everybody's not okay.
oh, now I'm banana. See,
Copy of Get Eaten. But okay. I got 1 view already for my stream. Oh. I got
gonna
so
get
much views. Check out my first video. I read that video. So obviously, this video. This video.
Okay, let's run this circle right here.
But where?
Y'all gonna join me, okay?
Okay. You can't join because you have your iPod.
Wait, hold on. I forgot.
Okay. I think it's gonna be 15 minutes.
You are going down. Yes. Woo!
Bop.
I know I'm scared. Okay, play. Host and press play. Oh, I'm going, go.
Me. Right. Yeah. Right.
Oh, we have the same outfit.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh! Wait, he gotta see. He gotta see. Wait, no, it glitched. It's glitched. See. Wait, I'm wrong.
Oh yeah, boy.
Yo, everybody got a freaking seat.
No,
Wow.
no. Hi, Bubba. I'm going down. No! No!
Ah! Ah!
No!
Box! 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 Chicken pox.
Oh my gosh.
All of us got 0
This
wins.
fire destroyer.
No, because Fire Destroyer did get out. It said Party Girl Jenny got out.
Mine doesn't.
Because it's you. It was funny when
What did it do
Journey.
said you're gonna go down?
Darn. Jenny.
The one, but I am the better one. I will let you.
Oh my lord, that dude is okay. I think so.
Oh, boy better win.
Boy better win. But who's boy? Everybody's boy. I mean, boys are boys.
Boy better win.
My lord. Oh, boy better win.
I think we're all gonna be together. Oh, I'm good at musical chairs. I'm
Because
good.
the song is nothing. Oh, I love that song. Should we? Oh.
I'm but no. What the? No.
Wait, everybody got a seat.
Okay. Did you see?
Everybody got a freaking seat. But everyone. This one.
No.
Oh no.
No.
Kelly's out. It's okay.
It's okay, Kimberly. Let's do it next round. Oh,
Yeah, it's okay. Plus, it's just a game.
no. Dang it.
Jenny's up too. And Bub's gonna. I might. What the heck? She's so good. Trick still got fans. So good. Oh man, I'm not out.
I'm still seeing the shadows in my room. Can't take the Good job. Christian, if you win, you can. Wait, why not?
I really. Infinity song. It's definitely not me. Oh!
Christian, if you win,
I'm final. I'm final.
Good job.
I'm definitely gonna win. I'm definitely. Jake, why am I going so slow?
Because of that pressing blue.
I'm supposed to press one.
We're not going.
Yes, we are, but we're moving slowly.
Oh, we all got to see each other. Well, there's one more seat. Boy.
Boy, get that! Get y'all two out. Get your whole butt out. We're moving. Why am I slow again? Oh no, I'm not. Go away! Oh, well, everybody got a seat. Oh no.
No.
Go your friend.
Oh my God.
Bacon here's friend. Bacon
Let's take it here.
because they're tasty.
Kelly said she likes because they're tasty and ugly. No.
I got a seat behind you. Journey!
Not my foot.
Journey, there's one more seat. Everybody got a seat. Yeah. yeah.
Where am I going to go? Is the ground movable? Why is the ground movable?
Can't take back the love that I gave you.
Ew, you're a maverick. I don't like him. He's ugly.
He's so ugly. So you say. You know he could be watching my channel. He's going to report y'all.
No.
Her name is Homer Seekers, Homer freaking
I couldn't find it. Oh, I got it upstairs.
But at least I told you. Oh, you could just go. No, nobody else is looking at the chairs. Oh my goodness! Miguel's a boss. He's a boss. Harry. Oh no! I was AFK. I was AFK. Really AFK, but I got a seat, and this person was running. Pinky, but it's so hard to get a victory royal. I mean, it's so hard to. The other one is like easy. God, if these are like killing, rest in peace to you. You gotta go. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh yes, sir. What? Your tail. Wait. He doesn't have no pin on. I just recognized. No, he doesn't. What? Yeah.
He does have
Oh, I don't know on my screen. You're supposed to gain yourself. What was it? Oof gain. Yeah. Oof gain. I mean oof gain. Sorry. Don't step on me. It's kind of rude. That's why you made me see. Can't think back to the gift that I gave you.
You have the big head.
Who is it? Oh, I see him. I fell. I don't see. Got it. Whoa! Well, you said that one about mine. Who just said it on the other? Who is it? Oh my lord, somebody has 271 wins. Guys, bury someone. Barry Harkita had 271 kills. Mhm. Oh, I gotta end the video in 2 minutes.
At the beginning, you just say hi, guys. No.
I did.
Yeah!
Wait, no, I didn't. Wait, there's 2 more seats left. Chicksa has left the game because she thought that she wanted to get a seat. But there's 6 seats left. Where's number 1?
Christian, you want to come to the road.
I know.
Everybody's going to get it.
Yo, there's 2 more seats. Okay. Yeah. That's the person that's watching us. He has 271 wins.
I want to win. I know I don't want to lose. No. Yeah.
Kelly! Oh!
Oh. Let's go. Me and you were back.
Everybody's gonna see. No, never mind.